Okay, so now what we're going to do is replace the wet kit on a 2-inch PS 830 aluminum pump. So the wet kit, the old wet kit would have been a Viton stainless steel seat with the Teflon or PTFE O-ring. So what we're going to convert it to is going to be the full stroke PTFE with the TWS backup. So it's going to have a Wilflex backup diaphragm, PTFE valve balls, and still use the PTFE O-ring. So we'll open up this kit and we'll start chasing stuff over. So, using the same exact hardware that was in our FKM diaphragms, all we're going to do is use using that same twisting motion. We want to get it to go past the glide rings. Sometimes on those new seals it gets a little touchy. So push down, twist, and we should get those to go right through. So with that twisting motion we push through to get to the second side, then we push through. Coming over this side, flip it over, use our inner piston, our backup diaphragm, our primary diaphragm, and our outer piston. So we get it started hand tight first. Once we get it there, it's good to put a liquid chamber on. So earlier we said this is the bottom, the port here at the top. So we'll go ahead and lay our chamber down the same way. Bottom to the left, top to the right. And go ahead and drop that chamber on, get that started. Get all of your fasteners started before you start tightening anything down. Now by doing that, that will allow us to hold that diaphragm in place so we can properly torque this diaphragm. So set that to 100 foot-pounds. Like we said, those flat spots are your friend, because now we can lay it down directly on its side. We'll put the liquid chamber on to match the same way on the other side. Your valve housing on your bottom. Again, the simplicity of having a fixed fastener means you don't have to have a washer and a nut on the back side. You simply just get the thread started and you're good to go. So now we'll load up our valve balls, drop the seats in, where the radius in there is where the ball is going to sit against. So that goes in, square cut goes up, and that's also the seat O-ring and the manifold sealing O-ring. So we put those in where the groove is at, and we simply put the bottom manifold right in. Again, designed with ease of maintenance, all bolts are easily accessible. Now we'll go ahead and put the top manifold on. Same thing here. We're going to load up our seals. Put our valve seats in. Put our manifolds in. Get them lined up. Get all of your fasteners started so there's no chance of cross-threading. That concludes the wet end rebuild of a PS 830 aluminum fin pump.